The world on a page. Every morning, a man named Leo loved to read the newspaper. In his city, there were 3 different kinds, and he liked to read a different one each day. Leo found that every part of the newspaper had something interesting. He could pull out different sections to read one at a time. The front section had the biggest news. It told him what was happening in the world, in his country, and right in his own city. Sometimes, the front section had pages with opinions. The people who made the newspaper wrote what they thought about the news. Other writers shared their ideas too. Even readers like Leo could write letters to the editor to share their own thoughts. Another part of the paper was all about sports. Leo could read about all the different games and find out who won. There was also a section for fun things, like movies and music. It told Leo about new movies, plays, and books. The business section was about money and companies. It talked about the stock market and how businesses were doing. Many people read the business section to get ideas about how to use their money. The last section had small ads. People could post ads to sell things or to find a new job. Reading the newspaper was a great way for Leo to learn about the world.